Hi, I'm Megan Molten, an interior designer in Charleston, South Carolina. I am so excited to welcome you guys to our latest design project in the Old Village of Mount Pleasant. This family moved down during COVID. They were up in the north in the cold and ready to start fresh and new. We found them the perfect home that needed a cosmetic renovation to give it that light, bright, coastal and airy look they were so longing for. I cannot wait to show you guys the tour. Come on in. Thank you guys so much for following along. I hope you love this home as much as we do. See you next time.